Creation of a personal token or coin. Wow, cryptocurrencies seem like fun! How can I create my own? Well, it depends on how complex of a system you want to create. There are different ways one could approach it. The most difficult path would be to develop your own protocol with its own coin. This requires quite a lot of programming and development skills. Another way would be to alter an already existing open source protocol to your liking. Or you could build your token on top of an existing protocol. This still requires a lot of knowledge about blockchain technology, although not as much as building it from scratch. And the easiest way would be to create your own vanity coin on a platform that provides such a service. This coin won't have any functionality besides being entertaining and fun to send to your friends as a joke. Fun fact: in 2013, Dogecoin was launched as a joke. It was meant for fun and entertainment, but quickly gained popularity. Once you have created your coin or token, another difficult task stands in your way. You have to get enough people on board to make your currency worth something. Or you could just leave it with that and send these coins to your friends as a joke.